on to a very crucial topic these days. We all know that there is a pandemic going on, the COVID-19, more commonly known as the coronavirus. Now, in India, it has now I have seen that everyone is using a lot of precautious methods of keeping themselves safe. And just yesterday, not yesterday, day before yesterday, I went to my college and I saw that in the metro people were wearing some sort of a mask, like an antibacterial mask. So that is a very good corrective measure or a precaution according to me. But here I wanted to give you certain tips to follow during the outbreak or during the pandemic. Okay. Number 1, use an antiseptic soap. Now my preference would be the Dettol original one. The small ones you will get it only for 10 rupees, and you can even buy the big ones. You can even use the other variants. There is the Dettol Cool, there is Dettol Skincare, Lemon Fresh, and lots of other fragrant variants are there. But then I prefer the original one because since it has the smell of the Dettol liquid, I feel that it has more antiseptic value than the other variants. Which brings me to number 2. Number 2, always carry a hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizers are very common these days. You will get it at your local medical store, and yes, they are a little expensive, and I'm not telling you to use them all throughout the year, but as long as the pandemic stays on and as long as there is a risk, you can't nothing's really enough. So 50 or 70 rupees for a bottle of hand sanitizer, I don't think it's a very big deal for anyone. Which brings me to number 3. Number 3, try not to eat street food. This does not only mean eating at the streets, but also ordering online or taking parcels from street. There are a lot of people visiting that particular stall, and they might have transmitted the virus to the person who is cooking, and then the infected person may have cooked the food or prepared the food. So it is very unhygienic, it is very unhealthy, and right now it's just out of the question. Don't even touch street food. Number 4, you can make a disinfectant and use it on your bed, on your towel. Now I will share with you very quickly a very easy method on how to make a disinfectant. This spray bottle, we bought it from Gariyahat. From the Gariyahat crossing, if you walk towards Paliganj station, there will be stalls on the pavements, and they sell a lot of regular household stuff. So there will be combs, there will be water bottles, there will be the salt and pepper containers, and we actually go to Gariyahat at least once every year. If we stayed nearby, we would have gone there every day, but it's quite far, around 5 kilometers from here and around a 40 minutes bus ride. So but then we still managed to go there, and lately we have been going there for twice every year, and then we bought it from there. Anyway, I was sharing on how to make a disinfectant. The first step is to boil water in a saucepan or in whatever container you have. Boiling the water will kill off majority of germs. Once you have boiled the water, let it cool down, and you can buy, these are even available in your most of the local corporation markets, so you can check it out in your local market. If you don't get it there, then of course you can visit Gariyahat and buy one for yourself. So fill this, you can just unscrew this cap and it will open. So you can fill this bottle with the boiled water, and then what you can do is add just one cap of Dettol liquid. Okay, the small bottles, you just need one cap. Once you have added that, just mix it and adjust the nozzle, and this becomes a perfect disinfectant. Like if I spray, I don't know if, suppose I want to spray this pillow, then look how it appears. I don't know if it got recorded in camera properly, but excellent disinfectant, homemade disinfectant, very inexpensive and very easy method to make. I think the video has become very long by now, so I will not continue it any further, and stay safe during the outbreak. Be careful, be precautious, and don't get yourself into trouble. So with that, I am ending my vlog for today, and hopefully I will come again soon enough. So see you and bye.